Someone took it.
Well, that's terrible news. Who would do such a thing?
Who knows?
Oh. Well, can you describe it for me? Maybe I can get security on this.
Sure. It's called the Sky Ballet Luggage. You can't miss it. It's got the logo right on top. It's got this wireless charger that pops out on the back. It charges your phone wirelessly. I was just using it.
Wow. Damn, that sounds amazing. I'm definitely making a note of that.
Yeah, it's world's first.
You know, as awesome as that is, I don't think security is going to be able to see that. Do you have a more visual description?
Right, yes. It has these jagged, wavy wheels called shark wheels. It allows the bag to cross over any kind of rough surface you can think of. Tactile pavement, dirt, floor casings, you name it.
That is cool. These are fishy wheels?
Shark
wheels. Got it. That was my bad, sorry.
It also has this magnetic front pocket that pops out at the touch of a button. I use it to put my laptop in there or anything that I need easy access to.
Interesting. Continue. Go on.
It has USB charging ports on the top so that you can charge any other device that you might have.
And what else?
And it has these zippers that interconnect into the bag on the top that you can lock via the Sky Ballet app.